Welcome to FoodInvites. Your business, your control. Menus in menu management. Your customers are welcomed by your menus first of all. They are one of the best mediums to build the brand and engage customers immediately. Even though a paper menu serves the purpose. But customers increasingly love using digital menus, as they are easy, quick, updated, and most importantly, contactless. Let's see how easily we can create a new menu from scratch. Log in and arrive at Launchpad. Scroll down and get to the Menu Management section. Launch the menu dashboard by clicking on Menu App. On the top, we observe Quick Actions. There are two ways to create menus. The first method is creating using Menu Wizard. And the second way is to start a brand new menu from scratch. We recommend using the Menu Wizard as it is the easiest and fastest way to create a menu. The Pending Actions displays potential issues with your menus. A click on Pending Actions shows how to fix them. The URL Launcher widget displays a link to your website and menu site, which is seen by the customers. With the help of the URL Launcher widget, you can republish or unpublish any of your menus. After making changes to the menu, you need to republish so that those changes are visible to the customers. In case you wish to hide a menu for some time, you can unpublish and the customers will no longer be able to see the menu. If you have not already watched videos of products, product groups, and menu groups, it is strongly recommended to watch them for a better understanding of the menu. In case you need to create a new menu of your choice, let's see how easily we can create a new menu from scratch. Click on Add Menu. In the Add Menu dialog, add the menu name. For example, we have a menu name, Signature Dishes. Next, add a description for Signature Dishes. Next, we should upload a featured image of the signature dishes. Please watch our photo app video to learn how to add images. The next option is to add a menu group. Let's add Veg Main Course and Desserts to the menu groups earlier, then select them. We can also create a menu group from scratch or add them from library. If you have not already watched, please watch our menu group app video to learn how to create a menu group or add from the library. Then click on Save. Next, you have the choice to add product groups, depending on your needs. So if you want to add product groups, add those product groups that were not previously added to the menu groups. Click on Edit, and you can choose from the existing product groups from library or you can create your own. If you have not already watched, please watch our product group video to learn how to create a product group or add it from the library. Let's add the product groups we created earlier, such as coffee and biryanis. Then click Save. Next, we will learn to add products to our newly created menu. This is useful if you have products that do not fall into any menu group or product group. If you have not already watched, please watch our Products app video to learn how to create or add from the library. After selecting the products, click Save. To save your menu, click on the Save button. Congratulations, you have successfully created a new menu. Look for your newly created menu with a new icon. Next, you need to customize and prepare your menu with availability and pricing. Please observe the newly added menu in the menu grid. It features a new icon and a new URL widget for your new menu. Click on the newly added menu, and the menu builder will pop up. In Menu Builder, you'll notice menu groups, product groups, and products according to your menu. A context menu will appear in front of each product, product group, and menu group. With the help of the context menu, you can edit, remove, publish, or duplicate. You may use the context menu of the newly added menu to duplicate, edit, remove, share, generate a QR code, and publish. Choose Edit to update the product. You can enter the menu name in different languages according to your need. You can also add a description in different languages. If you want to add more menu groups to your menu, then click on Edit. And choose from the existing menu group that you made earlier, or you can choose from the library. To create a new menu group, you can use the Create option. Let's add Chinese. Similarly, you can add more menu groups to the menu. If you have not already watched, please watch our menu group video to learn how to add a menu groups from the library or create a new menu groups from the scratch. So if you want to add product groups, add those product groups that were not previously added to the menu groups, then click on Edit. Let's add the product groups we made earlier, such as salads and naans. Similarly, you can add more according to your needs. If you have not already watched, please watch our product group video to learn how to create a product from scratch or add it from the library. Next, we will learn to add products to our newly created menu. This is useful if you have products that do not fall into any menu group or product group. If you have not already watched, please watch our Products app video to learn how to create or add from the library. After selecting the products, click Save. Observe that by clicking on the Advanced setting, you get more options. Then go back to Menu Dashboard and publish your menu. In case you wish to hide a menu for some time, you can unpublish and the customer no longer will be able to see the menu. Your menu will be visible to customers when you publish your menu. If you make any changes to the menu, you must click Republish to make those changes visible to customers. After publish the Signature Dishes menu, then click on the Context menu and select QR code. From there, you can choose whether you want a QR code for a table or a stand. And customize the QR code by clicking on Customize your QR. And you can also print the QR code for your menus. Reordering. Sometimes, you need to reorder your products in menus to highlight or arrange products. Product groups. Or menu groups in a certain order so that it is helpful for customers. You can use the sort command to quickly reorder as per your liking. Let's see how we can change the ordering with the help of the sort command. First, visit your live menu on eStore, then you will notice the Chinese menu group at the top of the menu, and you decide to change the position, and would like to have the veg main course on the top. You can do this with the help of sorting command. Go back to your menu app then. Click on the context menu of your Signature Dishes menu and select Edit from the list of options. Now, scroll down until you see the menu group section, and click on Edit. Here, you will see the Sort option at the top right corner. Click on it, and you will be able to rearrange your menu groups by simply dragging and dropping them to the desired position. We drag the Chinese menu group down and move the veg main course on the top. Similarly, you can do this for other menu groups according to your needs. Once you've arranged your menu groups, don't forget to click on Save Ordering to save the changes. Then go to the menu dashboard and click on Republish menu. Next, let's revalidate our menu by clicking on the URL. Confirm your changes. Next, look for the product groups on the live site as you decide to reposition the North Indian Veg Dishes product group above the Veg Thali group on the live site. Then go back to the menu app. Click on the Signature menu, the menu builder will pop up. Select the menu group for the product group for which you decide to reorder your product group. Next, select the Veg Main Course context menu and choose the Edit option. Then scroll down, look for the Product Group section, and click on the Edit button. In the top right corner, you will see a Sort command that allows you to rearrange the product groups as desired. Once you have made the necessary changes, save by clicking on Save Ordering. Go back to the menu dashboard. Click on Republish. Next, revalidate your menu by clicking on the URL. Confirm your changes. Let's also rearrange products. We want to show dum aloo on the top in North Indian veg dishes. Go back to the menu app and click on your menu. The menu builder will pop up. Search the product groups in which you want your item will show on top. Then click on the context menu of North Indian veg dishes. In the top right corner, you will see a Sort command that allows you to rearrange the product groups as desired. Once you have made the necessary changes, save by clicking on Save Ordering. Go back to the menu dashboard, click on Republish. Next, revalidate your menu by clicking on the URL. Then confirm your changes. Let's take a look at how our menu looks by clicking on the URL Visit, which will display your menus on the live site as they appear to the customer. The best menu structure for your business depends upon many factors. We hope through this demo, you learned the available options to design your own menu by identifying menu groups and product groups and ordering them for the best experience for your customers. In case you need any support, please feel free to connect with us on our WhatsApp support channel. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel at FoodInvites. Thanks for watching.